In this video, I'm going to explain you how to create a change order for an already created project. This is part of the SubOffice onboarding series. So if you haven't watched how to create proposal, how to set up your account, email videos, you want to see that first. All right, so let's get right into it. This is the web application for the SubOffice. I'm already signed into WebDrawingWeb, which is the organization I'm using for this video. You go to the project here and then you select the project which you want to generate a change order for. In this case, the project is blank because it was literally just we created the proposal to project for 420,000. If you want to see the proposal, you can always see it from the project folder and it will show you the proposal. Um, all right, so in this case, let's say the site superintendent or whoever's project owner asked me to do extra thing on the project. So I'm going to create a change order for him. How to do that? In the project dashboard, there is a change order button here. You can click on it. It will tell you to, since there is no change order in this project, the screen will be blank. But on the right hand side, there is a create a change order button. You can click on it. The change order number is automatically generated. The project manager is also selected. If you remember, when we were creating this project, we assigned it to a project manager. So this is also selected by default, but you can always change that. The subject would be a short description of what you did. So extra excavation, let's say, requested by. So who requested it? This is the list of the contact that you have in your SubOffice platform. So let's say in this case the project owner asked us to do the extra excavation, and then here you can basically put a unit price or values like the extra excavation material, or in this case equipment and labor cost. Quantity is 1 and the change order amount would be $2,000. So if I select add items, this will basically, you can add multiple items here. And then in the green box here, this is a very good summary of your contract. It will show you the original contract amount, which is $420,000. If you have already issued any change orders, whether it's awaiting approval or it's approved or it's rejected, the summary will be shown in the next two line items, and then amount of this change order will be shown in the E line item. So this is 2000. So if this change order is approved, my net amount would be $422,000. And then this is the summary, will be part of the change order PDF, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. Right, so I clicked on save and preview. It works similarly as the proposal. It will put all of your detail into a PDF format, and then it will have a nice summary of who made it, who requested it, which is a very good information. Extra this is the description we entered, $2,000, and this contract summary. This is a very important summary where it shows the owner that the previous value of the contract was this. With this change order, it is 422,000. Now some of the change orders are accepted, some of the change orders are rejected. So this is still a pending change order. What you want to do here is, you created the change order. Now you haven't emailed it yet, so you can always email it for here. You can send an email, and the status should change to sent. Now let's say that the owner accepted this change order and you want to bill it in your invoice, right? So you have to change the status to accepted. So if you click on accepted, this is officially accepted and part of the project. So if you go to the project dashboard, you can see that the 420,000 is the base contract. Approved change order is shown here, $2,000, and your net would be $422,000. In next video, I'm going to show you how to generate an invoice with this $2,000 change order inbuilt, and then send it to the client. So stay tuned for that.